How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can add text in FireAlpaca. Now, it's going to be extremely simple. The first thing that you want to do is to just head over to your project, and from here at the sidebar where we could simply see all of our tools, we have the T icon. This is going to be the text tool, so you could just click on it. And as an example, let's go ahead and put a text onto this specific part of our project. And here you can type whatever you want to. So let's do something like guide to everything. Let's also edit out the color of the actual text. And same thing with the font. From there, let's click on OK, and then we could see the added text, and it will also add it as a layer. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.